gonna put the hood up? Yeah. Bring the hood up. Yeah. So you got to pull it up. There's a bar right here. When it pulls up, it's still a clamp will come down, the whole thing in place. Of course, all my job was to get my ass there as a kid and put the thing down. It's alive, isn't it? The bad thing is that thing break. You got to better do by hand. That's badass, ain't it?